Hello friends, I am Aditya Jain and I am here to announce one of the most important breaking news of my career. Yes friends, I am going to start 100% English version classes mainly for students who are comfortable in English and they want all the explanation, all the class materials, all the book materials in English. Yes, there were so many students who requested me that sir please bring up with your English lecture. I waited for this moment from last 10 years. Yes friends, last 10 years I was thinking that when I will be able to record and when I will be able to take English lectures, but it was not possible because of my time. I was already devoted to other subjects like Inter, FM and Eco, elective paper, risk management, financial services and capital market, and most importantly, CA final SFM and CMA final SFM. I used to take face-to-face classes, satellite classes, and now I am taking in pen drive mode. But now I am not able to reject your request because lakhs and lakhs of students are requesting, and now I am here to provide you 100% English classes. So many requests came to me in this period. Sir, please speak in English. I cannot understand Hindi. Sir, please provide SFM class in English so that South people can also understand, sir. Sir, please provide classes in English. You can see there are so many requests. Sir, please provide CA final SFM class in English. Please sir, provide English classes so that South Indian students can also learn from you, sir. So friends, now I am here to teach you and I have accepted all your requests and now my classes are ready and I am definitely very excited to teach you all. And the target which I have set for you is not 60%, not 70%, not 80, not 90. Yes, friends, the target which I have set for you is 100% marks. Yes, it is definitely possible. Past students have made it possible and now it's your turn to make it possible. With our class concepts, with our stock market practical knowledge, with our class material, it is possible. Yes, we will make it possible. We together will make it possible. So the first question which comes to our mind is that what is the relevance of this subject? So the clear-cut answer is this subject is the backbone, foundation, gateway to finance career. If you want to make career in finance, this is the best subject. This is your subject. You must excel in this paper. Definitely the road to finance career will start from this SFM subject. So what is the syllabus? We have divided our syllabus in two parts. One is theory chapters and one is practical chapters. Definitely both are important because theory questions are mandatory. In our old syllabus SFM it was optional, but theory is now mandatory, so you have to cover all the parts seriously if you want to score 100% marks. So how many books you will be provided? You will be provided 9 books and the last volume will be summary notes, formula book, which is also provided in soft copy form in our old batches. Fine. Questions coverage. What will be the coverage of the question? 100% coverage of past years, RTP, MTP, practice manual are incorporated. Not only this, 100% old syllabus questions are also incorporated so that students gets ample of revisionary and practice questions so that not a single question comes in exam which you are not prepared. How to excel in this paper, score good marks in this paper? Definitely I always ask students to learn practically. You just need to open Demat account and you can invest 500 rupees per month. Even if you don't want to invest this much amount, you can practice it with me. I will teach you, I will demonstrate you how to buy and sell shares, what is the practical aspect of this. You must devote 10 minutes for business news also. I will tell all these things again when you will be joining my classes. These are all things which we will be covering in our main classes. What are the main advantages of this paper? It is a zero amendment paper, high demanding career and high scoring paper. Yes friends, this paper is a very high scoring. You can easily score 90 plus with our class material and class concepts. You can also join advanced courses like CFA. Many of my students joined CFA and they are now managing multi-billion companies not only in India but abroad also. One of my student Aditya Mitchell scored 100% marks in SFM. He is also a qualified CFA, definitely, and now he is working with ITC as an assistant finance manager. This mark sheet will definitely encourage you to do better, because if you are targeting a good career for you, this is the place which you should be. Finance is the career option you should opt for. There are many persons who have done advanced courses and they are having a very good salary. So next, what is your career goal? So if your career goal is stock market and financial sector, then you must excel in this paper, and I will teach you practically so that not only you clear your exam but also you will be able to face your interview and your life, practical life, job life, or anything you want to do in your life after your qualification. Fine, there are so many career options. We will be discussing each of the career option in our main class. Scope of this line, definitely very good scope. There are many people who are qualified chartered accountant and are now a renowned face of India, like SP Tulsian, like Anil Singhvi. They are chartered accountants and they are definitely doing very good in this field. Milind Barve, he is also a chartered accountant. He is definitely managing mutual fund company. There are so many people, so many career options you can opt for after you select this paper and you perform in this paper very well. Ramdev Agrawal, again a chartered accountant, and now he is doing very good in stock market, and definitely he is a renowned face of India. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, he is also a very renowned face. He is known to be India's Warren Buffett. So what is your target? If your target is 100% marks, if your target is All India Rank 1, yes friends, All India Rank 1 you can also target, and with good marks in SFM. One of my student Mohit Gupta scored 94 marks in SFM and he was All India Rank 1. So you can think about All India Rank 1 also. Industrial training. Yes friends, in articleship you are given an option to join industrial training. In that you can earn a stipend of approximately 50,000. I have made so many videos in this topic, and definitely I will try to make all those videos in English also, so that you will be able to understand, and definitely I will give you so much knowledge on this career so that you do not face any problem in your future. So many career options are there, so many students interview also I have posted. You can see, you can also attend AGM. This is Prakash Chand Saini. Thank you sir, it's first innovation of AGM for me. It is all because of you. So friends, these are all practical way of teaching so that student can learn also, and a student can also target a good career for them. They can also receive dividend, voting power, bonus share. There are so many things which you can have. So friends, lots of things I have to say. This is just an introductory video. I just have an announcement for you that I have launched my 100% English version classes. If you are interested in these classes, if you want to take these classes, please mail us at pendriveclassbyaj@gmail.com. Always remember friends, the more you will learn, the more you will earn. Learn more, earn more is the tagline of our class. In learning, earning is hidden. So the more you will learn, the more you will earn. Class will be 100% in English. Class will be taught from very basic level, including Inter FM. Language of class will be very, very simple. Speed of class will be very, very slow. 100% query will be resolved. So these are the few key points of my classes. The speed of the class will be very slow, and one thing, the language will be very simple so that every students can understand this language. Fine, sir. So friends, I am also using this opportunity to announce 100% English YouTube channel, because in main channel, in this channel, so many things will be posted which will be in Hindi language. If you are not able to understand Hindi, so I have made a channel. I am announcing a channel, and I wish you will be the first subscriber. You people who are listening this video will be the first subscriber and one of the first subscriber of this channel. In this channel, I will be posting all the videos, all the informative videos regarding MBA, regarding CFA, regarding CA industrial training, regarding articleship, all in English. All those people who are taking classes from me will score a very good marks in SFM. You will have a good career in finance, and definitely you will be a champion in this field. Rest all the things regarding schedule, regarding class information you will get when you mail us, then we will give you all the information regarding classes. So friends, as you know, where there is a will, there is a way. I am very hopeful for you. Not only you will score good marks in SFM, you will also make a good career for you, and you will make your parents and your teachers proud. Thank you so much, friends. See you again. Till then, goodbye.